Hello, what's up? I am in Spain, day 2. From today, apparently, supposed to rain, and yeah, it's raining now. But it's super peaceful, and this rain is actually helping the heat because it's around 23 degrees today, and it's very nice vibe. I don't care if it's raining or if it's super sunny. I think it's nice to have the balance. Today it's kind of cloudy, but I already have a phone call with my boyfriend and we just water my plants, which is super cool. I was laughing a lot because he was pretty overwhelmed. And it's very hard to give instruction and exactly amount of water, and connection is not really pure. But it went very well. So I can't wait to come back to my plants. It's still like 3 days, so we'll see how they're gonna doing. Hey, hello, what's up? I would like to share with you my observation after my trip to Spain, where I left my plants for 8 days actually. It was actually a very interesting experience. Go alone for vacation, but I didn't have a kind of choice. This was my choice. I can just share with you just a little bit my trip, of course, because it's worth it. And also, I would just like to share with you how is my plants doing, just make very fast walkthrough of them and how actually I managed to prepare them for my trip, and that's it. So I'm gonna start with my area around the TV. Everything looks good. My philodendron red sun is driving crazy. My butterfly plant, it's kind of sad after repotting, but it's not bad. So Monstera have a thrips again. So it's on treatment now, but so far everything looks so good. I'm just gonna check because I think I see something here. No. And then my favorite area here, I managed some cleaning after I come back from Spain. And I replaced some plants. Some of them actually I throw away. I throw away Monstera. I throw away some propagation because I saw it on the leaves. The damage after thrips was too big and I don't have energy to do it. So far my begonia is driving crazy from my semi-hydro. And I can see fifth small baby is coming here, so she's very happy. Then we have my alocasia, so it's super happy, giving me new leaves here, which is very nice. Yeah, this is also very nice. I changed place for this Hoya. Then I have a skin dapsus. I think I need to water. My string of hearts I put to another side. First they were this side, now they are there. So I think they're happy. My string of turtles, super happy here. I really like how they hang in here. My Monstera albo variegated, thriving very good here. I have a fourth leaf now, so it's very nice. Also my anthurium is thriving very well. I still don't know what happened with those spots under. I hope this is not like scales, but actually I observe it happened for some another my plants. I think it can be from pollen. I have no idea. If you have some information, I will be very thankful if you can share with me. But this looks amazing actually in the light. So yeah. And my Hoya Bella also really happy here. My anthurium lost some yellow leaves, the old ones, so I think maybe I need to do something because I see maybe can be some kind of issue there. I also replace my aloe vera. Then I have my alocasia mellow and she is still fighting. My alocasia dragon's breath, she's still fighting and I think she's fighting okay. So the big leaf already dropped and that's fine. I still think she's gonna survive. She's kind of okay. And my huge alocasia amazonica, she is insane. I found some dark leaves, I think 2 or 3, but that's normal because actually now here in Stockholm in Sweden we have around 4. It's dark, so my plants absolutely can feel a lack of sun and light. So yeah, otherwise I think they survive very well. I can see also a lot of my new growth after I put some more sphagnum moss and this, so it's very big. Yeah, they're still thriving, they're still happy. I kind of removed a lot of plants to kitchen because I want to make more lights there for them for winter now. So yeah, I think it's okay. On my bedroom now, I have my philodendron narrow. I found some thrips lately, so I need to have a here to monitor it better because since I'm working all the time, the evenings are more time for me to be actually here. Then I get some new leaf from my philodendron white wizard. Sorry for unfocus. And then here I also have some plants. Yeah, I think they're super happy here. I need to manage something for winter. I still don't know what and how, but we'll see. So in kitchen, my Pila is actually very happy here. And it's thriving very well. I think probably, she will be more happy in living room. But I don't have that much space for her, so I'm not gonna give her more than she already have. My philodendron micans have a thrips too, so I have to remove a lot of leaves. So far from 1 week looks good, so I think I managed to kind of save them. I used to have a rescue monstera here, but I give up. I just found the thrips and I just totally give up and throw away. So I have no energy to fight for her anymore because I have a 1 year and try to just make her stronger, so I just give up. Otherwise, everything looks super good, especially here. My propagation also looks very good. My alocasias, string of hearts variegated too. My begonia listada also thriving very well. Another cuttings from my saving alocasia dragon's breath too. So yeah, everything looks totally fine. So I take some plants from living room and I replace here because it's more light here. It's very, very, very weird weather now in Sweden because it's super cold. It can be super sunny or super cloudy, so it's kind of a roulette to find a place for my plants. So I thought it's gonna be much more safer if I can place them here. Besides of topic, finally we get our shelves. Maybe I'm gonna manage to hang them next week because our walls are very not good to drilling, since I know. We need to ask for help our friend, and that depends from my boyfriend and from him. So I'm gonna absolutely document when we're gonna do this. And for now, I think that's the update from me. Thank you so much for watching. Like a bonus, I would like to share with you just a little bit of a trip when I make straight after Spain. We went to Vienna, Vienna, to Austria, and we spent there our 6th anniversary with my boyfriend. Was very magical and very beautiful. I have some thoughts about city and people, but maybe I'm gonna keep this to myself for now. But I have been in very beautiful botanical garden, and if you want, you can just stay here and watch some of the frames from there.